In this video, I will talk about two sources of getting traffic that you can use and the difference between those two. I'm talking about Udimi solo ads and TrafficForMe. What I mean by getting traffic? Well, a lot of you who are in affiliate marketing business are struggling to get sales. In order to get sales, first you need to have visitors. Then you need to make that person opt into your mailing list, and then that person needs to convert. It seems easy, but it's very difficult at first, especially if you're a newbie in this business. The first part of the equation, getting traffic, is the worst. It's very hard to stand out in the crowd and you spend hundreds of dollars on advertising and nothing happens. That is why you need help at first. You need to build your own list. You need people to opt in. That is where solo ads and TrafficForMe come in place. First, I'll explain what Udimi is. Udimi is a solo ad forum where solo ad sellers and buyers come together. There's a wide variety of sellers to test and plenty of options to choose from. There are some really great ad sellers on the site. The transparency and the reviews of the site and the sellers will help you avoid bad providers. It's easy and free to become a member. You would just give your name, your email, and password. Once you sign up, you can choose from different sellers. You would click on Find Sellers, and there you can see a list of the current sellers that are providing you with their service. Solo ad provider is someone who will be emailing their own list for you. So that person has a huge mailing list and you will be buying one mailing to their list. There's a lot of options of this platform and nothing is guaranteed with this platform. It's very clean and easy to use, and there are different sellers. So if we click on the first one, you can see that he has almost 2,000 likes. At that, 66% of the ratings where buyers are reporting sales. The price per visitor is slightly above 0.5, and you would just choose how many visitors you're buying. So for example, I would be buying 300 visitors. You would choose the filters. You can only choose top tier. So top tier are the visitors that will be coming from US, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and Singapore. So you would type in the title of the email that this guy will be sending, and then you would be putting in your text, or the body of the text. If you don't have one, you can always ask this guy to write it for you. And of course, you would highlight some of the text, and you would say, okay, I want this word to have a link on it. So you would highlight it and you would just click on insert or edit link. And then you would type in your URL. This URL can be from a ClickBank site, from the product that you are choosing to promote, or a better option would be, this would be your site that you have created in ClickFunnels or in Lead Pages. Why is this better? Well, the reason why you're using this site is that you want to collect your own leads. So if you would just put in the direct link, so the direct link from ClickBank, then you will be just seeing clicks. You wouldn't be getting those leads. Those leads will come to the seller of that product. But if you put in your own URL, if you have your own landing page, then visitors will first click on your site, on your landing page. They would opt in on your site, and you would have their email forever. The second option for you would be to use site TrafficForMe. It's similar to Udimi solo ads. You will also be buying a mailing list from someone else. It's also easy to sign up for this page, and once you are in, you would just click on Order Traffic, and then you would go through their filtering. TrafficForMe works a little bit different than Udimi. It's expensive. You have a predetermined pricing list, so you can't choose like in Udimi cost per click and how many emails. TrafficForMe will match you up. They do the business. You don't get to choose the person, but they match your offer to the right and the best person. It's a good quality traffic, a little bit higher quality than Udimi, but you would have to pay a little extra for that. You would just go to the filtering. You would again put your links and the text, and TrafficForMe would match you with the best seller. Even though these two sites work well and they're easy to get fast traffic, but you have to remember that you're buying someone else's list. So those mailing lists have already been used before, and other sellers are using them as well. And of course, there are no guarantees. You will get opt-ins, but there is no guarantee that you will get sales. So be careful with that.